How to freeze frame in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your CapCut, then select a project, add it. After that, you will see this option over here. This is the freeze icon. Simply tap on it. And if you want to create frames, all you have to do is click on this diamond shaped icon over here, and you will be able to create frames and also freeze it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.